Live from Xenia, Ohio, it's Dayton Hamvention. Second stop on the second annual HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Stick around. Hi guys, here at the Icom booth. Here's a up-close look of the upcoming ID-5200. This is the one radio that everybody is talking about and excited about. That's the prototype for the X026 over there, but this is the big one. This one's probably the one that's going to be coming first, I would imagine. But going to be on a bit of a learning curve. D-Star capable, of course. Here's the advertisement on it. I do want to note that it is not type accepted yet, so it is not sold, released, or offered for sale until the approval from the FCC has been obtained. That's pretty good. So you can see, you can select your band by just tapping on that, and numerous options there. Obviously you see there's no microphone attached to this, so it's no playing with the so you got FM, DB, DB's D-Star, and FM narrow. Got a scan option here. Scan all. See, this is GPS information. This will most likely have APRS in it, so that's exciting. And then, of course, over here, nothing programmed in it, of course, but we can go, I don't know, I'm gonna have to learn it, but there you go. You can see a lot. There's KISS, so for your TNC, there's your memories, all kinds of stuff. So all right, so from the Icom booth here at Dayton Hamvention, that's the exciting stuff. We'll take another close look here at the X026. Don't have much information on it other than a form factor here. There's nothing. That's hollow box. And of course, they have the SMJ1, which is coming soon as well. It's not in FCC approved just yet either. So lots of new Icom stuff coming. Stick around. Well, I'll let you know whenever we know more about it. I'm excited. I'm probably going to buy a 5200. So appreciate Icom and everything they do. I am an Icom man for sure. Have a few other radios. I'm not a brand exclusive, but Icom as of right now is my favorite. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 693.